Welcome to Digital, your digital choice. So, you've started a YouTube channel and have been consistently uploading videos. But, despite all your hard work, your videos aren't getting the views that you were hoping for. Don't worry, you're not alone. Every YouTuber goes through this phase where they feel stuck and struggle to get more views on their videos. But the good news is, there are some effective ways to boost your views and gain more subscribers. The first thing you need to do is optimize your video for search. Tip 1. Optimize your video for SEO. One of the most important things you can do to get more views on your videos is to optimize them for SEO. This means adding relevant keywords to your video title, description, and tags. You can use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords for your video. This means including relevant keywords in your video's title, description, and tags. The next thing you can do is promote your video on social media. Tip 2. Promote your video on social media. Another way to get more views on your video is to promote it on social media. Share your video on your social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can also join Facebook groups or Reddit communities related to your video topic and share your video with them. Share your video on your personal and business accounts, and encourage your friends and followers to watch and share your content. Another effective way to get more views is by collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche. Tip 3. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers can also help you get more views on your videos. Find other YouTubers in your niche and reach out to them for a collaboration. You can collaborate by doing a video together, or by promoting each other's videos on your channels. Use high-quality images and bold text to make your thumbnail stand out. Tip 4. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Your video thumbnail is the first thing people see when they come across your video, so it's important to make it eye-catching. Use high-quality images and bold text to make your thumbnail stand out. And finally, engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages, and create a community around your channel. Tip 5. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience can also help you get more views on your videos. Respond to comments on your video and ask your viewer to leave a comment or share your video with their friends. By following these tips and consistently creating high-quality content, you'll be able to grow your channel and get more views on your videos. Conclusion. So there you have it, 5 tips on how to get more views on your YouTube videos. Remember, getting more views takes time and effort, but if you follow these tips consistently, you'll start to see an increase in your views and engagement. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.